Hi, I'm Steven with Wire Ninjas, and today we're going to show you how to properly terminate an RJ45 connector using a pass-through method. This is how we do it on real jobs. Start by stripping about 1 inch of the cable jacket. Take your time here. You don't want to nick any of the conductors. Keep the jacket as close as to the conductor as possible. The jacket provides strain relief and helps protect the termination long term. Only untwist what you absolutely need. The twists in the cable are critical for reducing interference and maintaining signal integrity. The more you untwist, the more performance you will give up. We follow the T568B wiring standard: orange-white, orange, green-white, blue, blue-white, green, brown-white, brown. Using pass-through connectors allow us to visually confirm the color order before crimping. Once the wires are aligned, cut the conductors perfectly flush. Feed them fully through the conductor and confirm the order one last time. Make sure the cable jacket is seated inside the conductor body. This is critical for a durable termination. Now apply firm and even pressure with the crimping tool. The crimp seats the pins and locks the jacket in place, and trim the excess conductors. Every cable gets tested. Testing verifies properties, pin out, and confirms a solid termination. If it's not tested, it's not finished. That's how Wire Ninjas terminates RJ45 pass-through connectors. Clean work, built right, built once. Thank you for watching.